Hi, this is Jack from Maths Forge, and in today's lesson we're going to be doing perimeter for quadrilaterals. A quadrilateral is essentially a four-sided shape. So let's take a look at our first example. Here they're asking us to find the perimeter of this rectangle here. Now we know it's a rectangle because all four angles are right angles, so they are 90 degrees. And the thing about rectangles is that their opposite sides have the same value. So this side, which has a length of 130 centimeters, tells us that this side also has a length of 130 centimeters. And this side that has a length of 80 centimeters tells us that this side here also has a length of 80 centimeters. Using this information, we can go ahead and find the perimeter. Now the perimeter is simply just adding all of your sides in your shape together. So we're going to have 80 plus 80 plus 130 plus 130. Now a quick way of doing this is to multiply your 80s by 2, since there are two of them that are being added together, and add this value onto your 130s also being multiplied by 2. And so 2 times 80 is 160, plus 2 times 130, which is 260. 160 plus 260 is going to give us 420. And don't forget the units in your answer. Since the sides have centimeters, our perimeter will also be in centimeters. So our final answer is 420 centimeters. And if we check our answer, there it is. Now let's do a 2-star example. Here they're asking us to find the perimeter for this square. And we know it's a square because all of the angles are 90 degrees. And we have these lines that on all of the sides that suggest to us all of the sides are the same as well. So this is definitely a square. So now I can just go ahead and label the rest of my sides as 11.2 meters, because of course in a square, all of your sides are the same. So rather than adding 11.2 by itself 4 times, I could just multiply it by 4. So we're going to have 4 times 11.2. This is going to give us 44.8. Since the units of our sides are in meters, then the unit of the perimeter will also be in meters. So our final answer is 44.8 meters. And if we check our answer, there it is. We'll now do a 3-star example. Here we're being asked to find the perimeter of this kite. And we know it's a kite because we have these lines that suggest that the adjacent sides, so the sides next to each other, are the same. So there are 2 dashes here that inform us this 140 centimeters is also present here. So this side also has 140 centimeters. And this single dash here for the side that's 242 centimeters tells us that this side is also 242 centimeters. And so now we can calculate the perimeter of this shape. It's going to be 2 lots of 140 centimeters, add 2 lots of 242 centimeters. Simplifying this gives us the following. 2 times 140 is 280. Plus, so 280 plus 480 will give us 764. And since our sides have units of centimeters, then our perimeter will also have a unit in centimeters too. So our final answer is 764 centimeters. And if we check our answer, there it is. And that's it for the lesson on finding the perimeter of quadrilaterals.